machines are trained to do things that normally need human thinking, like recognizing a face, spotting patterns, or making decisions. This is artificial intelligence. Just like humans learn from experience, AI learns from data. Imagine teaching a child to tell the difference between a healthy plant and a sick one. You show them lots of examples, and over time, they learn what to look for. AI works in a similar way. You feed it lots of data. Depending on the task, it could be plant images or temperature readings, and it learns to make predictions, to take actions. Let's look at a few easy-to-understand examples of AI. For example, have you ever seen YouTube recommendations? I suggest so, and that is AI. Or are you using voice assistant on your smartphone? Yes, that's AI again. And also, have you used Google Maps at least one time in your life? Probably yes, and this is how AI helps pick the fastest route using traffic data. However, when it comes to farming, there are 6 key ways AI can help. At this stage, we'll just name them, but later in this course, we will explore each example in more details. The most important applications of AI in agriculture are detecting plant diseases by analyzing photos of leaves, that is known as disease detection. Detecting pest outbreaks early by using images, trap sensors, and environmental data, helping reduce damage before it spreads. Optimizing irrigation by deciding exactly when and where to water based on weather and soil data. Predicting crop yields before harvest using past data and current field conditions. This is called yield prediction. Monitoring animal health through sensors and cameras that track movement, temperature, and feeding behavior. Supporting decision-making by combining all available data into smart recommendations for farmers. But please be aware and don't expect too much. AI doesn't think like a human. It's more like a very smart calculator. It finds patterns in big amounts of data and then makes guesses or decisions based on those patterns. The more data it sees, the better it gets. That's why images, sensor readings, and weather information are so important. They are fuel for AI. So now you know, AI isn't magic or science fiction. It's a helpful tool that learns from data to make better decisions. And in farming, it's becoming one of the most powerful tools we have. In the next lesson, we'll look at how AI is already being used on real farms, from soil to sky.